Welcome, today I am with Huawei MateBook D15 and I will show you how you can turn on or turn off nightlight and also how you can adjust the level of this nightlight. So at the first we have to go for the settings, find system, and then when we are here in the display options we have to go for the nightlight settings. And as you can see here we can turn it on, and here we can adjust the strength of the nightlight by moving the slider on the left or the right, and to turn it off just click right here. And also we can schedule nightlight, so we can pick from sunset to sunrise, or we can make it manually to set hours, so we can pick exact hours from 9 p.m. to 7 a.m. for example, but we can also change it like you want. And the same for turning off this option automatically. So yeah, as you can see, that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.